Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about some permanent plants that you can grow in your garden that will give you flowers throughout the years and even during the extreme summer temperatures. I live in a place where the midsummer temperature gets beyond 40 degrees Celsius and these plants bloom really well even in the scorching heat. So let's check out the list and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay connected. The first plant I'm going to talk about is Adenium or desert rose. The name desert rose is really appropriate because they can tolerate a lot of heat and drought. This is one of those rare plants that grow very well even if you neglect them in the summertime, and they don't need regular watering. They flower a lot and they have really colorful flowers that keep your garden interesting when other plants struggle to flower. So you should definitely grow adeniums in your summer garden. Next we have Bougainvillea. This is another great heat and drought tolerant plant. You will see bougainvilleas on the roadside a lot and they bloom so well even in the scorching heat. It is definitely one of the best flowering plants for summer. They come in so many colors and they keep your garden look happy even when the temperature is too high. The best thing is that they are quite low maintenance, which makes them one of the best plants for summer. Up next we have Euphorbia milli. This is a great plant that tolerates heat and drought very well. They are small shrubs and they flower really well. You will find them covered with flowers all year round, especially in the summer months. They have thorns like cactus and you will find them in many varieties. They like lots of sunlight and dry soil, so you don't have to look after them too much. They are very carefree. You should definitely grow them for their continuous and long-lasting flowers. Number 4 is Lantana. This is a very common plant. They grow like wild plants in hot climates. You will find them everywhere in India, but they have really beautiful flowers and great colors. Now you can get many hybrid varieties too. They are sun-loving and heat-tolerant plants and they grow very well in dry, poor quality soil. You can easily grow them in containers. If you want a beautiful low-maintenance plants for summer, this is definitely the one. Oleander is a very popular and really beautiful plant. They have beautiful flowers and some of them have really fantastic fragrance. One of the best features of the plant is that they are quite heat tolerant. I have them in my rooftop in more than 40 degrees Celsius and they bloom so well. They're extremely drought tolerant plants. I will definitely recommend this plant because they keep flowering all throughout the summer months without any kind of extra maintenance. This is one of my favorites. Number 6 is yellow oleander. This is a very common plant in India. We call it kolke and they have lovely blooms. You will find them in orange, yellow and white colors. They tolerate a lot of heat and you can easily grow them without much maintenance. They grow from seeds and cuttings. In the ground they can go quite big, but you can easily manage them in containers too. This is a great plant for all year flowering. Tecoma or yellow trumpet flower is one of my favorites. They really make your garden bright with their beautiful yellow blooms. And they also have fragrance, which attracts a lot of bees and birds in the garden. They will give you flowers even during the peak summers and almost throughout the year. They're perfect for hot climates. They can tolerate a lot of heat. Usually they grow quite big in the ground, but you can easily grow them in containers too. This is a great choice for a low maintenance and heat tolerant plant. Next is Xora. They're terrific plants. They come in so many colors and so many varieties. They come in all shapes and sizes. You will find hybrid varieties for small containers and varieties that get quite big. The best thing is that they bloom all year long, especially in the summers, and they will tolerate a lot of heat. They do well when you water them properly and regularly in the peak summer. You should definitely grow them for their continuous and colorful blooms. Number 9 is powder puff. I love this one. I had this plant for many years in my garden. They keep blooming all season long without any extra care. You can easily grow these in containers. They tolerate heat quite well and they flower all summer long. They also attract hummingbirds, sunbirds and butterflies in the garden. So it's a great plant to attract wildlife. I will definitely recommend this plant to everyone. Number 10 is Plumeria. Plumeria is a tropical plant that likes hot temperatures. You will find them in many colors and varieties. Usually they grow quite big, but you can manage them easily in containers too. In a large container they will do very well. They're quite low maintenance and they give you flowers all summer long. You can grow them in full sunlight. They are very hardy and the big leaves give your garden a tropical look, so definitely grow one of these in your garden. So these were some of the most heat tolerant plants that I love growing. There are so many more to choose from. I will make another video later. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. I will see you next time. Bye.